What if you could build an AI that automatically handles your emails, posts your content, finds you leads, and runs 24 hours a day without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what n8n does. And in this video, I'm giving you a complete beginner's crash course, everything you need to know, all in one place. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you a live automation that took 4 minutes to build but saves hours every single week. Welcome to AIChief. We test AI tools and show you exactly how they work. Make sure to subscribe and join our weekly newsletter, link in the description. Before we build anything, let me quickly explain what n8n actually is and why it's worth your time. You've probably heard of automation tools like Zapier or Make.com. We've actually built a full AI lead qualification system using Make.com on the channel, link in the description if you want to check that out. n8n works in a similar way, but there's one thing that makes it stand out from everything else in this space. It's completely free to self-host. That means you run it on your own server, you own it entirely, there are no usage limits, and nobody is ever charging you per automation. The Community Edition gives you unlimited workflows, unlimited executions, and access to all 400 plus integrations, for free, forever. And if you'd rather skip the server setup for now, n8n also offers a 14-day free trial on their cloud version, no credit card needed, so you can test everything before making any decisions. But what really separates n8n from every other automation tool right now is this: it has native AI agent support built in. You can connect it directly to ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. That's the difference between regular automation and AI automation, and n8n does both. Setting up n8n takes about 2 minutes. Just go to n8n.io and click Get Started for free. You'll land on the 14-day free trial, no credit card needed on the starter and pro trials. That's more than enough time to follow along with everything in this video. Once you're in, you'll see the canvas. This is where you build everything. Every automation in n8n is called a workflow, and workflows are made up of nodes. Each node does one specific job. One node watches your Gmail, one node talks to an AI, one node writes to a Google Sheet. You connect them together like building blocks and data flows through automatically. No code, no technical knowledge needed. And with over 400 official app integrations, Gmail, Slack, Notion, Google Sheets, WhatsApp, Shopify, if you use it, n8n can almost certainly connect to it. Alright, let's build something real. We're building an AI email responder. Here's what it does. Every time a new email arrives in your Gmail, n8n reads it with AI and automatically saves a draft reply, ready for you to review and send in one click. 3 nodes. Let's go. Node 1, the Gmail trigger. Search for Gmail in the node panel. Select Gmail trigger. Choose message received as the event and connect your Gmail account. That's it for node 1. This node now watches your inbox and fires every single time a new email arrives. Node 2, the AI agent. Add an AI agent node. Under Chat Model, connect your OpenAI API key and select GPT-4o Mini. It's the most cost-effective model and more than powerful enough for this task. Now add your prompt. This tells the AI exactly how to respond. Then pass the incoming email from Node 1 as the input. The AI reads it and generates a reply based on the actual content of that specific email. Node 3, Gmail Create Draft. Add a Gmail action node. Choose Create Draft. Set the to field as the original sender's email, pulled automatically from Node 1. Set the body as the AI's output from Node 2. Now hit Execute. Send yourself a test email and watch what happens. n8n catches the email. The AI reads it. A draft reply appears in your Gmail automatically. That's a real working AI automation. Under 5 minutes to build. And it runs every single time a new email arrives with 0 input from you. Now that you understand how n8n works, here are 4 more automations you can build today, all completely free. First, auto post to LinkedIn from a Google Sheet. You add content ideas to a spreadsheet. n8n pulls a new row every morning, polishes it into a proper post using ChatGPT, and publishes it to LinkedIn automatically. Your content goes out every day without you touching anything. Second, a daily AI news digest. n8n fetches top AI articles every morning through RSS feeds, summarizes each one into 3 bullet points using Claude or GPT, and emails you a clean daily briefing. I actually use this one myself. Third, Competitor Website Monitor. n8n visits a competitor's pricing page every 24 hours. If anything changes, it sends you an immediate Slack or WhatsApp alert. No more manually checking. And fourth, Instagram DM Autoresponder. When someone messages a keyword like price or info, n8n reads it with AI and sends a personalized reply instantly. All of these are 3 to 5 nodes, all free, and all genuinely useful for real businesses. If you want to run n8n completely free long-term, self-hosting is the move. The Community Edition is free forever with 0 execution limits. You can run it on a VPS for a few dollars a month, or use render.com, which has a free tier that's enough to keep n8n running continuously. Full self-hosting guide linked in the description. And when you're ready to explore more workflows, n8n has a template library with over 1,000 pre-built automations you can import in one click. Just go to n8n.io/workflows and search for whatever you want to automate. Chances are someone has already built it. So that's your complete beginner's guide to n8n. Free to self-host, unlimited workflows, over 400 integrations, and native AI support that turns simple automations into systems that actually think and make decisions on their own. We're genuinely at a point now where most of the repetitive work in your business can run automatically, and n8n is one of the best free tools to make that happen. Drop a comment telling me what's the first automation you're going to build. I read every single one. And follow AIChief and join our weekly newsletter for the AI tools actually worth your time. Link in the description.